If you want your Xiaomi Smart Camera C100 to play alarm sound when it actually detects someone, then you can find that option by clicking on the three dots in the right upper corner, then go for the camera settings, and here you can find sound and the light alert. So this one allows you to actually play any sound that you want. By the way, you can find to default, or you can record your own voice. So we can get, for example, the welcome home, and we can play it to check how it sounds. There we go. And also we can get the light alarm. So it will turn on that light over here. When it detects someone, it will start blinking quickly, like this, or slowly, like this. Or we can get this always on when it detects someone. So two options that will adjust you and that will allows you to do this. And you can also find the effective time. For example, you can get this anytime, or you can set a schedule. For example, if you want to get this feature to be enabled only during the night time, so you should get, for example, from like maybe 10 p.m. into, for example, morning, let's say 7 a.m. Click confirm, and you can even set repeat, daily, or custom. For example, only during weekends. So we can unselect other days and set Sunday and Saturday. Click OK, then click OK in the right upper corner, and the process is finished.